Hello kids, in this video we will learn about different new shapes and symbols and also know about the color name. So let's start. Orange color. Orange is brown color. Brown color. Light green color. Light green color. Red color. Red color. Blue color. Blue color. Yellow color. Yellow color, dark green color, black color, black color. Let's draw the shapes. This is black color. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Octagon. This is rhombus or diamond. This is cross or addition symbol. This is cloud. This is down arrow. This is U-turn. It is a symbol. Let us color these shapes and symbols. This is purple color. Octagon, light green, this is rhombus or diamond. It has four sides. This is red color. This is cross, also called as addition symbol. This is sky blue color. This is cloud, yellow color. This is down arrow. This is a symbol. This is pink color. This shape is U-turn. It is a symbol. Octagon, rhombus or diamond, cross or addition symbol, cloud, down arrow, U-turn. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.